Hi there, friends. So I'm just bringing you an update in the Audrii Cunningham case. So the affidavit for this has now been released, and I'm now going to read that information across to you. Just as a trigger warning, obviously, this is in reference to Audrii. She was just 11 years old, and some may find this distressing to hear. So it says the affidavit being identified herein as Detective Kayla Hampley, employed with the Polk County Sheriff's Office Criminal Investigation Division. The affiant Detective Hempley has over 6 years' experience in the field of law enforcement. Your affiant has specialised training in the field of murder offences, assaults, sex crimes, and crimes against children, as well as other felony offences. So on point 1, the affiant shall show that on the morning of February the 15th, 2024, the Polk County Sheriff's Office Detective's investigation has revealed that the said defendant, Don Stephen Mcdougal, along with the child victim, left the home of the child victim located, blacked out, redacted, in Lake Livingston Village subdivision in Livingston, Polk County, Texas. Mcdougal and the child victim left in Mcdougal's 2003 Chevrolet Suburban with the intent to drop the victim off to the school bus stop near the entrance of the subdivision, and it was discovered that the child victim was not at that bus stop when the Livingstone ISD bus arrived at that location, and discovered that the child did not make it to the Creekside Elementary that day. The affiant shall show that on February the 20th, 2024, the body of 11-year-old child Audrii Danielle Cunningham was located during the search of the Trinity River. Law enforcement dive teams located the child victim's body within the Trinity River near State HWY 59 South at the Polk San Jacinto County line. San Jacinto County Justice of Peace C. McGee ordered that the child victim's body be transported to the Harris County Medical Examiner's Office for an autopsy and to determine the cause of death. Number 3, the affiant shall show Don Stephen Mcdougal was a friend of the Cunningham family and resided on the family property in a cab over camper. Mcdougal had access to the interior of the child victim's home. Terrible. Number 4, the affiant shall show the video footage and cell phone data places that Mcdougal at 3 locations of interest. Evidence in connection with the defendant and the child victim was located at 2 of those locations and were recovered. One of the locations is the Trinity River near State HWY 59, which is Highway 59 South, where Audrey's body was located. Point 5, the affiant will show throughout the investigation that the investigators were able to determine through cell phone data, video footage, and forensic evidence that Mcdougal lied about his whereabouts and the activities on the day of February the 15th, 2024. Number 6, the affiant shall further show upon the recovery of the victim's body, trigger warning, that law enforcement discovered a large rock tied to the victim's body, and the rope that was used was consistent with the rope that was observed in Mcdougal's vehicle on a traffic stop 2 days prior. Number 7, the affiant shall further show through investigation that there is sufficient evidence to show that on the date of February the 15th, said defendant, Don Stephen Mcdougal, committed the offence of capital murder. So guys, this is the affidavit for Don Stephen Mcdougal and gives us now an insight into some of what has happened to Audrii. The fact that he weighted her body down with a rock is just beyond inhumane, and I'm sure we're going to learn a lot worse as time passes. So I just wanted to bring this to you as an update in the case. But that being said, let me know what your thoughts are. Drop me a follow, because obviously I'm going to continue to follow this through. Obviously, if we get court hearings, obviously I will bring those to you. But otherwise, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye for now. Bye.